So in this video, Ronald, we have one of my first visits I had with you. We were splashing in some water. Georgia, I was taking you out every other weekend, and we were going to waterfalls and rivers and swimming. And we also went here, Georgia. We went to Marineland, and this also has, Ronald, our RC car track we built in the backyard when you were really young. Ronald, you come running out with a snack pack. Georgia, you're running through the sprinkler, and we have some dogs in here and cats. Hopper, Rocky, Trouble, and Gravity. If you remember Gravity, I don't know. Georgia, you might remember Gravity. Anyways, so that's it for this video. Enjoy, guys. Where are you going? Where are you going, you happy boy? No, it's all water. He's pulling me to the water. Oh, he knows about splashes. Splash, splash, splash. Funny kid. Ah! Did you do that? Okay, we don't want to do too much. Come on, honey. Your face is a mess. How's the pizza? Good? Say cheese. Eat your pizza. Daddy eat it then.
No, me pizza.
Mmm. Good, eh? High five. Yeah, high five. Alright. Oh, high tens. Wow, both of them. There, I got your hand. I got it. What are you gonna do? The claw! It's the claw! Okay, eat a pizza. Good job. What? What? Where's the fan? Fan. Show me the fan. Fan? Fan? That's right. That's the fan. What's that? Look up! Look up! What's that? Yeah, X marks the spot. Perfect. I'm missing some others, I know that. George is drawing a fish. Wow, that's a good fish, actually.
I just tried it.
You just drew a nice looking fish. Make the eye more pronounced right there. On the mouth. Did she do a good fish or what? Right off of Mercury's thumb. Oh, you're ruining it now. Okay, that's good. You did a good job. No more on that one. Go make another picture. Yeah.
Daddy, help me.
Can you do that, Ronald?
Mama, do you want to get even down there like this?
The kid's new fort.
Help me.
Or playground.
Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me.
I'm coming.
Don't want to swing from there.
You gonna go down there?
Mom, hold your hands like this. Like that.
Go down, show him. Go show him, Georgia.
Okay, I'm like connected right back. Hi!
She's gonna show you. You watch her.
You watch me, okay? Like that. Like that.
You can do that?
Help me.
Okay. Did you turn the water up higher? No. There she goes. Did you get water in your eye? What do you got, Ronald? Oh, look at what Ronald's got. Come show everyone. What do you got? Yeah. You gonna run through, Ronald? No. What's that in your hand? Oh, you brought the 4-pack out. Nice. Where's the spoon? You need a spoon.
Just remember, Dan, I am the mother and I expect respect and do not up my house.
Wave, hello. Hello, wave to me. Troubles, wave. Hello, wave. Hi, he's waving. Wave. Wave to me. Wave. He's a good girl. He's waving. Get it, Hopper.